শুরু করব। সালাম আলাইকুম। হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, গুড মর্নিং। দিস ইজ Ferdous Rasel. I am a student of Begum Rokeya University at Department of Chemistry. My student ID is 1913033. My presentation topic is reaction of alkenes. My presentation topic reaction of alkenes. There are three types of reaction. These are alkene react with potassium permanganate and react with osmium tetraoxide, react with ozone. Now I will describe about potassium permanganate react with alkenes. We know that potassium permanganate is a colorful reagent, and when it will react with alkenes, its colors will be disappear. We can see that ethene is react with potassium permanganate in the presence of cold potassium permanganate, and it form a glycol. Mechanism, we can see that mechanism of alkene react with potassium permanganate, and the result, now we see that when alkene uh, when alkene react with potassium permanganate and it form a brown color. Now I will turn about second reaction, alkene reaction with osmium tetraoxide. We know that osmium tetraoxide is a reagent which is form of hydroxylation of alkene with osmium tetraoxide is an example of stereospecific reaction. We see that cis pen 2-in react with osmium tetraoxide and form a product 2R3S pentan 2,3 diol, and trans pen 2-in react with osmium tetraoxide and form 2R and 3R pentan 2,3 diol. Now we can see, now I will turn about cycloalkene. We know that osmium tetraoxide is a useful reagent of dihydroxylation of alkenes. Always give 1,2-diol vicinal diol. Stereochemistry of addition is always syn product. We see that cycloalkene react with osmium tetraoxide and form syn 1,2-diol, which is a vicinal diol product, and it can not never form NT1,2-diol product. Now I will describe about the mechanism of osmium tetraoxide with alkenes. We see that alkene react with osmium tetraoxide and form an intermediate which is called intermediate osmate ester, which is rapidly hydrolyzed to yield the vicinal diol. As the oxygen atoms are added to concentrate, the step of the resulting stoichiometry is cis. Now I will describe about the ozonolysis reaction of alkene. Ozonolysis reaction is a oxidative cleavage of carbon-carbon double bond which is using ozone as an oxidizing agent called ozonolysis. We see the reaction, ozone react with alkene and the bond is cleavage, and the product form a carbonyl product. Ozonolysis of carbon-carbon double bond take place through ozone intermediate followed by work up result in the formation of respective product. Work up, the ozonolysis may be divided into three categories. Reductive work as using mild reducing agents such as dimethyl sulfoxide, triphenyl phosphine or zinc dust, and reactive workup using strong reducing agents such as lithium aluminum hydrate, sodium borohydrate, and the three types of reaction of alkene occurs in the presence of oxidative work using oxidizing agents such as hydrogen peroxide, Now I will describe about the reductive work up of using mild oxidizing reagent such as dimethyl sulfoxide or triphenylphosphine. We can see that ethene or alkene react with ozone and form a intermediate reactant which is ozonide, and it can react with mild oxidizing reagent and form a carbonyl product. We can see that an example of ozonolysis reaction. Ozonolysis of alkene followed by suitable work up, cleavage of carbon